and I welcome you all for today's online session. Today we are going to start exercise 2.5 and the first topic is short tricks, multiply by 10. So when we multiply a number by 10, the product of the number with one zero to its right. For example, suppose 5 is multiplied by 10. So 5 will be multiplied by 1, that is 5, and it will be followed by 1 0 to its right side. Another example, suppose 25 into 10. So 25 into 1, 25, and again it will be followed by 1 0 to its right. Next is multiply by 100. So just like multiply by 10, when you multiply a number by 100, the product of the number with 2 0 to its right. Suppose 3 into 100, so 3 ones are 3, and it will be followed by 2 0 to its right side. Just like this, 235 into 100, so 235 will be multiplied by 1, that will be 235, and it will be followed by 2 0 to its right, so the answer will be 23,500. So first question is, use the quick and easy method to solve these questions. First question is 23 multiplied by 10. So 23 into 1, that will be 23, and it will be followed by 1 0. So the answer is 230. Okay, this one is the answer. Just like this, number multiplied by 100. B part is 345 multiply by 100. So 345 into 1, that will be 345, and it will be followed by 2 0 to the right side. So the answer is 34,500. Next is 41 multiplied by 1000. So just like the previous rule, multiply by 10 or 100, if a number is multiplied by 1000 or the multiple of 1000, first of all 41, that one will be multiplied by 1. So we will get 41, and it will be followed by 30. Okay, so the answer will be 41,000. Okay, next is 34 into 2. So that will, we can write it 34 into 2 into 10. So 34 into 2, 4 2s are 8 and 3 2s are 6. So 34 into 2 is 68, and it will be followed by 1 0 to the right side. So the answer is 680. Next is 56 multiplied by 400. So in this case 56, first we will multiply 56 by 4. So 56 multiplied by 4, 6 4s are 24, carries 2, and 5 4s are 20, plus 2, 22. So the answer is 224. That is the multiplication. When we multiply 56 by 4, we get 224, and that will be followed by 2 0. So the answer is 22,400. 190 multiplied by 50. So you can see that can be written as 90 will be multiplied by 5 into 100. Okay, so 19 5s are 95, and that will be multiplied by 100. So answer will be 9,500. Next is 34 multiplied by 25. So when we multiply any number by 25, we can write 25 as 50 divided by 2. Okay, 25 is equal to 50 divided by 2. So we will replace it. So instead of 25, we will write 50 by 2. This is the first step. Okay, so now cut it. 2 and 34 will become 17 into 50. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2, and when we cut it to the table of 2, we will get 17. So 17 5s are 850. Okay. Next is 112 multiplied by 50. So 112 as it is, 50 can be written as 100 by 2. 50 is equal to 100 divided by 2. So cut this. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10 and 2 six are 12. So 56 multiplied by 100. So 56 into 1, 56, and that will be followed by 2 zeros. So the answer is 5600. Next is question number 2. How quick are you? The first question is 34 multiplied by 20. So 34 multiplied by 20. So 34 will be multiplied by 2. 34 2s are 68 and it will be followed by 1 0. Just like when we multiply it by 10 or 100, it can be written as like this: 34 into 2 into 10. So 34 2s are 68 and that will be followed by 1 0. So final answer is 6 8. Next is 45 into 20. So it can be written as 45 into 2 into 10. So 45 2s are 90 and followed by 1 0. So the answer is 900. Next is C part. 36 multiplied by 20. So just like the previous one, 36 as it is 2 into 10. So 36 2s are 72 and followed by 1 0. So the answer is 720. Next is B part. 50 multiplied by 2. So 50 into 2 into 10. So 50 into 2, that will be 100 and followed by 1 0 also. The answer is 1000. And the last part is 27 multiplied by 20. So that will be 27 into 2 into 10. So 27 2s are 54 followed by 1 0. That will be 540. Next topic is distributive law of multiplication over addition. This is a very important law of related with whole number. So the law is when we multiply a number by the sum of number that is same as multiplying the each number in the sum individually and then adding them up. The meaning is that when that can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 1, or 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, and this side 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 2s are 8. It can be written as A B plus C is equal to AB plus AC, where A and B are any whole number. A, B, C are any whole number. Here W represent whole number. A, B, C can be any whole number. Okay, the third question is related with distributive law of multiplication. So here is 99 into 283. So children, for this one we will 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1 is 99 into 283. So remember the distributive law. So when A multiplied by B plus C or B minus C, both are same. So just like A, B minus AC. Okay, this is the distributive law. So we will use distributive law. This one is related with subtraction. So 100 minus 1. So this one is 283 multiplied by 100 minus 283 multiplied by 1. So 283 into 100. So 283 into 100, 283 into 1. 283 followed by 20. That will be 28,300 minus 283 into 1, 283. So you can do the subtraction here. 28300 minus 283. This is your rough work. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 8 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, 8 as it is, 2 as it is. So the final answer is 28,070. Just like addition, we can apply this rule for subtraction also, and it is your choice. You can write this number or this number according to distributive law. It's based on our convenience.